everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I'm so excited to see you guys again. It's been a few days, maybe a few weeks, but I'm starting to unthaw and felt a little froggy, so I thought I'd come out in the lot and let's take a look at a 16 by 66 Matson. Now, my name is Christina. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. I'm also the general manager of Champion Home Center here at our flagship facility in Topeka, Indiana. You can see that we have a lot of homes. So we'd like for you to visit, do a factory tour with me. I'll show you step by step how the homes are made, and then we can talk about getting into the specific design and the build that you're looking for. I'm happy to help. Give me a call at 260-383-1009. Now let's jump into it. 16 by 66, we've got Brunswick on the outside, which in the sunshine you can see looks like a bright blue. Let me get closer. Not a bright blue, excuse me, more like a navy blue. Now, sometimes when you see this home and it's a gloomy day, it looks more on the black side. So it just depends on what look you're looking for and what kind of weather you're in. We've got lineal trims around the windows, looking nice. And by the way, shout out to Bella and my nails, and they are blue because I had a gender reveal for my grandbaby. I'm gonna have a little boy. My son is gonna have a little boy actually, and we're excited about that. So on this particular model, we've added a front porch. I've moved some things around because I wanted this to be appealing for somebody who's gonna put this home on a lake. So this was the perfect way to make that happen. The front door originally is over on this side of the home. I moved it over to the end wall. We call the short sides the end walls. And I put in a patio door because I thought that would be perfect to come out here onto the porch. Also added an extra exterior light. That's something I'm always going to ask you about when we're going through the process. And then we've got a wire brace switch up here. And I did that just in case whoever buys this eventually, maybe they want to put a ceiling fan out there. I've seen that. It's pretty common actually. You wouldn't normally think that, but it happens all the time. Coming in, we call this a front-loaded home. Let me quiet my voice down a little bit now that we're not in the wind. But a front-loaded home, that means you're gonna have the kitchen or the dining room on one end of the house. And that's important in case you're facing a lake or you want your scenery, you wanna be able to look out that side. It doesn't matter if it's a single or a double, front-loaded is front-loaded. And the opposite of that would be split bedrooms. So we've got all the bedrooms back there on the end, and everything in the living area right up here up close. So typically the door is gonna be over here, but remember, whoop, I moved it over there and voila, turned it into a patio door, a sliding patio door. And this window would have been a 30 by 61, but I enlarged that to increase the light to come into this home. And you can see adding or enlarging the windows does a very good job about that. Let's recap. We have to adhere to a light and vent schedule. That's a HUD rule. And what that means is the amount of light that comes into the home is precisely measured, along with the ventilation system in the home as well. But when it comes to windows, we can add them, we can move them, we can make them bigger, but typically we can't ever take them away. As long as we can meet the requirements of that light and vent schedule, then we can move some things around. Now, we've added a ceiling fan up there. We've also got some white wrap profile trim. This is a VOG wall, vinyl over gypsum. It is a drywall product, 3/8 of an inch to be exact, with a vinyl over it. The vinyl also serves as the vapor barrier for the wall. On the floor, we've got linoleum. We've added some carpet back there, but in a standard single wide floor plan, we're gonna have linoleum throughout. This is Nordic white. And we've got a new spin on this for this year. I'm excited to show you. We should be seeing it in homes coming up real soon here. Casper cashmere on the walls, a nice neutral gray color, and that's a beautiful thing. No more of the faux brown. I hear that a lot when people come for tours, that they remember homes like that. The nice thing about the Matson is that you're gonna have a pantry in it depending on whether you do the 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom version. This home is the 2-bedroom version because in the 2-bedroom version, you get the pantry and you also get a larger living area. So I opted to make it in the 2-bedroom version. Wide open to the kitchen here. I've enlarged this window as well. We've got perimeter heat. You can see the registers are right along the inside perimeter of the exterior wall, and that's a good thing. More efficient to heat and cool with, and you end up having more control over where your registers are gonna be. Coming into the kitchen, we've got Ozark Shadow hardwood on the cabinets. This pantry is a standard feature in this home. We've got a little Lazy Susan up here. Not so little, actually. It's a nice size. And then on the bottom, I added in some pull-out shelves. You can add that to any home. These are options. We have an order form with lots of options in them. And so what happens is, as you come visit me, you show me your vision. Sometimes we draw it out. You bring me your drawing, and then we do the best we can to recreate that. We've got a couple stem lights hanging over the island. The island is here as well. And the nice thing about the island is you're gonna have some more storage in the island also. Black cabinet handles. We've got our bank of drawers over here. Glacier quartzite on the Formica countertop. That is one of our most popular countertops. Laminate backsplash. That means it's gonna match also in a Formica. And we've added an appliance package. So we've got the stainless steel appliance package with a smooth top, electric range, microwave over the range, dishwasher, and a side-by-side with ice and water in the door. Let me give you a view of the living area. All right, heading back towards the bedrooms. We're gonna be approaching the furnace. We've added a furnace door here. Highly recommend that. Now our furnaces and our stoves and our water heaters available in gas or electric. Electric is the standard for the appliances, but you can switch them if you like. On the back door here, we've changed this to a 9-light residential door. Not too bad for an option. It's actually the most cost-effective way to get some light in your door, and one of the customer faves. 100 amp service is going to be standard in a single wide. You can change that to 200 amp, and I would recommend, if you're going to add central air, to make sure that you make that happen. Here we go to bedroom number 2. I just placed some furniture in here, kind of like a little makeshift office, and I also always like to show the closet size. And added a ceiling fan in here. The washer dryer area. We're gonna have a main water shutoff on the inside. Your dryer, of course, is gonna vent all the way out. These washer dryer cabinets are optional, and if you go for the optional hardwood, your cabinets will be hardwood as well. They've got a nice bar in the middle to be able to hang up some clothing. Here's bath number 2. We've added some things in here that I think are very nice features. We added an 8x30 transom window. It's just gonna let some natural light in here. Let me shut off the light so you get a good idea. Oh yeah, hi everybody. I'm back. So this is with 0 lights on, and just look how much light that emits. I mean, I think that's a no-brainer to put that option in there. We've got a 019 over the commode linen. And when you open that up, this is just a nice space to add some extra TP, maybe some of your makeup or some hair products, some hair tools. And here we've got the standard tub shower combination. Single vanity with some storage underneath. And you can see here that we use an expanding foam. So any of you who are nervous about critters getting in the home, not gonna happen. We're gonna make sure we've got those critter-free. 3-bulb light strips, that's a standard feature up there. Heading into the primary bedroom, we've also added some more cool things in here. We've got a 16x60 transom window, does not open, but it does provide lots of light. We've added carpet to bedroom number 2 and also the primary bedroom, and that's a very popular feature. Now, a great thing for 2025 is you're gonna see 15-ounce carpet here on the floor, and that is gonna be a standard carpet, but the option is to add the carpet in the single wide. So the good news is we've upgraded our standard carpet to a 15-ounce, and but you will still need to add it as an option. Ceiling fan, of course. I always put ceiling fans everywhere I can in the shell homes because it gets a little toasty. Out here, primary closet. And lastly, the primary bath. Here we go again. An 019 over the commode linen. This is the standard vanity, but it's a little bit bigger, so you're gonna have some more counter space here with a bank of drawers. And I always, if you've been watching me, you know, put a little window in your bathroom, put some cover blinds over it or a curtain, but let the light in here. Let me show you again. Oops. I mean, it just makes a world of difference. But again, that's a personal preference, so if you don't want it, it's okay. You can just say, Christina, I don't need that, and it will be just fine. Behind the door, we've added a walk-in shower. 2-seater. We have several showers available. This is the one we chose for the Matson. Okay, so there you have it. We're kicking off 2025 with some new standard features that I think you're going to be really happy about. And as I'm out here and I start climbing in these homes, I'll be sure to tell you all about them. And I wanted to tell you that I appreciate all of your videos, you guys watching my videos and calling me and giving me your feedback, whether it's good or bad. I don't mind, but I'm happy to show you guys these homes. I hope to see you soon. I'm Christina. I'm the mobile home mama, and I'm here in Topeka, Indiana. If you would like to visit, I will provide you with a free overnight stay in a very nice place, and we can go through the homes together. Thanks everybody for watching. See you soon.